15th August is one of those days of the year when patriotism is in the air. The occasion is celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm across the country, and official celebrations take place at the Red Fort in New Delhi. People hoist the tricolor, sing the national anthem, fly kites, and enthusiastically participate in cultural events. The occasion also reminds us about our valiant freedom fighters who fought selflessly and even sacrificed their lives for our country to attain freedom from the colonial rule.
The story of India's colonialization began with the arrival of the East India Company to the country in 1600s. The merchants who came to trade in India soon started to exercise military and administrative control. Due to their massive military strength, they started to overpower and suppress the local kingdoms and ruled some parts of the country. By 1757, they had established their foothold in many parts of the country. The unfair rule led to widespread resentment among the countrymen, and the local populace began to revolt against them. The first organized revolt took place against the British rule in 1857. A group of Indian soldiers rebelled against the British rank in Meerut, referred to as the Great Struggle of 1857 or the Sepoy Mutiny. This marked the beginning of a new era in the country's freedom movement.
The very next year, the British Crown in London took over the direct control of India. From 1858 to 1947, the country was governed by Britishers with representatives in the forms of governor generals and viceroys posted in almost every stage. With humongous discrimination towards Indians in their homeland, the situation kept on getting worse. On 13th April 1919, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, also known as Amritsar Massacre, took place. Such tragic incidents continued, including the Bengal famine of 1943, which claimed up to 5 million lives. This disparity towards Indians further strengthened to struggle to gain complete independence.
Indian leaders and revolutionaries such as Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Subhash Chandra Bose, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit, Chandrasekhar Azad, Sukhdev, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Sarojini Naidu, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many more took part in the freedom struggle against the Britishers over different time periods, which ultimately led to India's freedom from foreign rule.
Happy Independence Day! Jai Bharat!